Pakvashaya Shodhanabasti. Etiology. Here, Pakvashaya is the Moolasthana of Vata dosha and Shodhana means purification. Phalajimutaka Ikshvaku, Damargava Vatsakaha, Shamacha Drivruchaiva, Stiradanti Dravanti Api, Prakiryat Udakiryacha, Nilini Kshirini Tataha, Saptala Shankini Lodram, Falakampillakasya cha, Chatvaro Mutra Siddhaste, Pakvashaya Vishodhanaha. The basti which eliminates the vitiated doshas present in Pakvashaya and bring back normalcy of doshas is called a Pakvashaya Shodhana basti. A Pakvashaya is the sthana of Vata dosha. Types of Pakvashaya Shodhana basti: Madanaphaladi Niroha basti, Shamadi Niroha basti, Prakiryadi Niroha basti and Saptaladi Niroha basti. Ingredients: Madanaphaladi Niroha basti ingredients are Madanaphala, Jimutaka, Ikshvaku, Dhamargava and Vatsaka. Shamadi Niroha basti ingredients are Shama, Trifala, Danti, Stira and Dravanti. And Prakiryadi Niroha basti ingredients are Karanja, Putikaranja, Nilini, Kshirini and Gomutra. Saptaladi Niroha basti ingredients are Saptala, Shankini, Lodra, Kampillaka and Gomutra. Procedure of Pakvashaya Shodhana basti. Purvakarma includes Snehana, Svedana and basti preparation. In Svedana, Sthanika Abhyanga by Kshirabala Taila. In Svedana, Bashpa Sveda and Nadi Sveda should be done. Then, Pakvashaya Shodhana basti is a Niroha basti. Composition of Niroha basti. According to Acharya Vagbhata, Ashtangurudaya Sutrasthana 90 chapter 45 and 46 shloka. Makshikam Lavarnam Sneham Kalkaha Kvatam iti kramat Avapet Nirohanam Yesha Sanyojane Vidhihi. Method of Niroha basti preparation includes Vata prepared by above ingredients of Madanaphaladi, Shamadi, Prakiryadi and Saptaladi dravyas, and also the Saindavalavana, Madhu, Sneha, Kalkadravya mixed each other with Vata and Gomutra and form a homogeneous mixture. Then it should be given in a lukewarm by testing a temperature. Pradhana Karma. The patient is asked to lie in a left lateral position, making his left hand as a pillow upon a bed, which is neither too high nor too low. The patient should keep his body straight and flex his right leg with full extension of his left leg. After lubrication to a tip of netra and anus by Sneha, netra should insert it straight into rectum slowly without shaking the hands. Shat Karma. After inserting the enema into the rectum, lifting the two legs and padding to the buttocks should be done. Abdominal massage in anti-clockwise direction should be done, and other traditional techniques should be done. Indications: Pakvashaya Gata dosha, Vata dosha vikara, impotency, Astigata Vyadhi, Shukragata Vyadhi and Mamsagata Vyadhi. Contraindications: Shatakshina, Urustamba, Shosha, Murcha, Sannyasa and Atikshina. Result: by administration of Pakvashaya Shodhana basti, Shamana of Pakvashaya doshas, Shamana of Vata doshaja Vyadhis of Sandhivata, Amavata and Pakshagata, Shamana of Astigata Vyadhis, and also helps for Shukra Vriddhi. Conclusion: Basti Vata Vikaranam is one of the important quotation mentioned by the Acharya Vagbhata in Agradravyas. Doshas of Kapha and Pitta gets liquefied by the Sneha and Sweda exhibit their symptoms in Pakvashaya, then they should be eliminated by the Pakvashaya basti. Hence it clearly indicates that Pakvashaya basti therapy helps in elimination of all three doshas. Pakvasha Basti is considered as a prime basti for Vataja Vyadhi. Classical reference of Pakvasha Shodhana Basti. Charaka Samhita, Siddhisthana, Basti Siddhi Adhyaya 25 and 27 Shloka.